Всем привет! How to say again in Russian? There are 5 ways to say again in Russian. Опять, снова, еще раз, заново и вновь. These words are almost synonyms but have different nuances in their meaning and uses in context. I'll explain their meanings with plenty of example sentences. Опять and снова are largely interchangeable. They both mean again with the meaning of resumption, not repetition. What makes опять different is that it may also imply a meaning with negative emotions, usually expressing irritation. Я опять хочу спать. I want to sleep again. Опять поезд опаздывает. The train is late again. Meanwhile, снова will be used more than опять for phrases that have a positive emotional resonance. That being said, снова can really be used in most emotional contexts to mean again. Я снова получила награду. I received an award again. Я начал снова заниматься спортом. I started playing sports again. Еще раз. Еще раз literally means once more or one more time in Russian. You use еще раз to mean again when referring to a repeated action. Повторите еще раз, пожалуйста. Repeat again, please. Давайте попробуем еще раз. Let's try again. Заново. Заново doesn't mean again. Rather, заново means all over again or again from the beginning. This meaning of заново makes sense when you examine the root of the word. За plus ново has the literal meaning of for the new one. Заново. Она заново учит русский язык. She has started learning Russian again. Я учусь любить заново. I'm learning to love again. The word вновь. Вновь means again when it's about an action that recurs after a period of time. Think of вновь as meaning yet again or once again. Вновь приятно познакомиться, мистер Бонд. Nice to meet you, Mr. Bond. Nice to meet you again, Mr. Bond. Отдых за границей вновь становится популярным. Holidays abroad are becoming popular again.